Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're doing Pick Your Poison, which is a game, but we got them off Google because we're not buying the game. So we're just gonna ask some questions. It's like Would You Rather, but it's extreme. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we're gonna get into this video.
Let's start it off light. Let's start it off light.
Sure.
Pick your poison. Never see the sun again or live without music.
Never see the sun again.
Live without music.
Live without music.
Or never see the sun again?
Yeah, I don't care for the sun. I mean,
I care for the sun. I would like
but
to
live without
like,
music, nah.
I like daytime because it's bright outside.
No.
Nighttime is dangerous.
Pick your poison. Have sex with your most attractive cousin, or drink your mother's breast milk she kept from since you were born.
My mother's breast milk.
Thank you.
Breast milk, please.
Like what?
You can put it in a wine glass and I'll drink it because I'm not doing that other one.
Right, that's crazy.
It's disgusting.
Family around thing that. Seriously.
Okay, next one. Have the number of days since you've had sex displayed on your forehead, or have your contact info shared with every Jehovah's Witness in the world.
Contact.
The Jehovah's Witness can contact me. That's fine. I'ma just block them.
Exactly.
They can ring my bell. I'll just disconnect it. That's alright.
Oh my god. Pick your poison. Find out you'll die 1 year from today, or blow a horse to completion. What? Wait, what?
Blow a horse to completion. What does it sound like?
Ew. Are you serious?
That one is nasty.
What the hell?
Okay.
Find out you die one. Oh my. Oh my god.
That is. Either.
Okay, I'm not putting my mouth on no or to ass. So.
No, what are you talking about, asshole?
It's not.
No.
What is what I mean?
Blow job. To completion.
So, until he comes. What the heck? Who made this stuff up?
That is disgusting.
Okay, so I'm about to find out when I'm done 1 year from today. I'd rather do that.
Horse is like. This is a horse.
I'm not doing that.
You ever seen a horse dingling?
Yes, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
I'm not doing that. They bugging.
Pick your poison. Have your significant other leave you for your best friend, or watch your significant other have sex with someone else. I'd rather watch him have sex with someone else, but don't let him. I don't want him to hear me say that.
I'll think the same thing. Pick your poison. Compete in the Hunger Games, or interrupt your ex's wedding.
Interrupt ex's wedding. Yeah, y'all ever seen the Hunger Games? They be dying.
I don't care for
You don't have to. I don't care for them neither. I'm just saying I don't want to be in the Hunger Games. They die in that movie. Remember, it's the Hunger Games. It's the last person standing.
Oh gosh, this is so hard. I guess
It's not hard. This is the one you want.
But if I interrupt his wedding, he gonna think I care, and I don't.
I'm saying, listen, I don't care,
Right.
but I had two options. This is the one I picked. That's it. Pick your poison. Put your hand in a blender, or watch Two Girls, One Cup with your grandparents. You never showed it to me.
Okay, I'm shut it right now. I think they took it off because it's not showing.
I feel like I did
see.
I feel like I seen
Yeah, because it's been
it
out for a
before.
while. It's been out for years.
I feel like I did. Okay, so that's nasty. Let's see. I would watch Two Girls, One Cup with my grandparents.
I don't want to watch that.
They would yell at me and beat me up, but
Who were yelling at you?
by my grandmother.
So I guess I'll do the
blender.
I mean, put me at, but does it put you in the blender? But do what? I don't have to.
I'm sure it
do
means
nothing,
a
right?
spinning blender.
Okay, so I guess I'll watch the 2 Girls 1 Cup with my grandma. She gonna be like, what? That's something oh god, that's so gross. Pick your poison. Have sex with someone 40 years older, or pee every time someone says your name. Pee every time someone says my name.
The first one. The first
one? 40 years older?
Pick your poison. Eat a 6-ounce portion of scabs, or use hot sauce as eye drops. As long as it's my scabs.
Yeah. I guess. Because I'm not putting no hot sauce in my eye.
Yeah.
That's dumb.
Once detergent got in my eye, and I was
burn?
like, burn ain't the word. I was seeing blurry for like 2 days out of one eye.
Wow. Nah.
For real, that's no joke.
That's crazy.
From now on, when I use detergent, I close my eyes. I'll be like, hoping that's enough.
Pick your poison. Google publishes your search history, or make your own sex tape and give copies away for the holidays.
The first one is fine, because I don't watch nothing nasty all the time. I'm guessing you do.
Damn, Google. You gonna show me out like that?
Pick your poison. Only be able to take ice cold showers, or never be able to touch another person again. Ice cold showers.
Ice cold showers, because I want to be able to touch my child. Okay? Or any family member at that. Pick your poison. Have arms for legs, or have your nose positioned upside down on your face.
That's a weird one.
What the heck? So,
but the nose
one.
Yeah, the nose one.
Have arms? Yeah, the nose one. That's crazy. Have arms for legs? What the heck?
Pick your poison. Never have sex again, or eat the hair from a stranger's shower drain trap.
Never have sex again.
Might think about the trap.
I ain't thinking about it. You said what?
The trap one.
You said you want
the hair.
You want to eat the hair from stranger's shower? Girl, I could do without sex. Hell no. I ain't doing that. I can do it without sex. Why are you looking at me like that?
I don't believe her.
I can.
I don't believe her.
I can.
I don't believe
I
you.
can.
I don't believe you.
What are you talking about? I can. I've done that before.
I could do without it, but not forever.
So you don't believe me? What?
No, I don't believe you.
Why not?
I just don't.
Wow, that's crazy. I can. It ain't that important. I can. I'm so serious.
Okay. Pick your poison. Have every partner from now on cheat on you, or get shot in both kneecaps.
Oh, Jesus.
I choose the first one. Sounds less.
So I guess I'm gonna be single all the time.
I guess it'll be painful in my heart, but not in my knees.
And I'll be single. Once you cheat, I'm out. So, yeah. Okay. Pick your poison. Participate in a nursing home orgy, or shoot yourself in the foot.
I think I'm gonna shoot myself in the foot.
Yes, I'll do that. I don't know.
That's
I should get it on with the old people.
Ew. Pick your poison. Have your cell phone charged up to 10%, or clog the toilet every time you poop outside of your home. I think
I'll clog the toilet.
Yeah, me too. I don't mind.
Outside
I don't care.
Home. Yeah, I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care about that. Outside. Okay.
That's let them do with it.
All right. Oh, pick your poison. Swallow a used condom, or play spin the bottle with your family member.
I will be
spin the bottle with my family member. You're gonna get kisses on the cheek, okay?
What if you got kiss on the lips, spin bottles, kiss on the lips.
I guess whatever. If I remember. So
Listen,
what the heck? That's easy. I'm not going to.
That's what you gotta do.
Quick peck.
Pick your poison. Kill 10 people and get away with it, or never masturbate again. Never masturbate again. That's fine with me.
Yeah. Oh Jesus, what's going on? Pick your poison. Suck on the used tampon or give your grandmother a sex toy for her birthday and write, "Grandpa is always with you." My grandmother don't get a sex toy.
That's messed up because my grandfather died. So
Mine too. Mine too.
But that's messed up.
No, grandpa is always with you.
In the sex toy.
I mean, it's better than her being with somebody else.
I'd rather her be with somebody else.
Really? That's worse though.
First of all, they too old now to be with somebody else. I'm just saying. Okay.
But it's better than the first one.
Tampon.
No, I'm not doing that. No, I don't care if it's my time. I'm not doing that.
If it's mine, I would choose that one.
No.
As long as it's mine.
Okay, girl.
Even though it is nasty. It's disgusting.
Very disgusting.
Did you see that video where a girl said every girl takes their own period blood?
Oh, every girl.
If you say no, you lying. You ever seen that video?
I didn't see that video. And
that's
I'm not lying.
And
That's disgusting.
That's nasty.
She wants to lick. What? Who did that?
I don't know. She did. Pick your poison. Feel the pain of childbirth every time you poop, or have a family member die every year on your birthday.
Feel the pain of childbirth.
Yeah. Feel the pain of childbirth. Yeah, that's not something you would want to happen.
Yeah. Pick your poison. Get a tattoo under your right eye, or have someone. What?
Die every time you masturbate. You wrote that.
I know. I know what I guess I messed up. Okay.
Get a tattoo of a teardrop under your right eye.
I'm just mad words.
Or have someone die every time you masturbate.
Tattoo.
I'll just get the tattoo because you know you could cover it with makeup if anything.
And even if you can't cover it up, whatever, because you know what a tattoo on the right eye means.
Pick your poison. Wake up every morning not knowing who anyone is, or have the feeling you are being stalked every time you leave your house.
Second one. Have the feeling.
The second one too, because I be feeling like that sometimes. Anyway.
For real?
No. No, not really. But I'll pick that one.
Yeah. Pick your poison. Be unable to get drunk or accidentally kill your best friend. You're unable to get drunk.
I guess I won't be getting drunk no more. I'm at the age where I shouldn't be getting drunk.
Right.
Anyway.
Exactly. So.
Pick your poison. Have a reoccurring dream of having sex with your mother.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
No, that was...
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Have a reoccurring dream of having sex with your mother, or have sex with a dead person.
Have sex with a dead person.
That's disgusting.
Both of them are disgusting. So, and
a newly dead person.
They still stink.
Not a newly dead one. Newly, like just
died. What if it's not newly though? What if somebody that died for like a couple of weeks or something?
Ew.
That's gross. Both of them is gross.
It is.
But I remember the second one though. Have sex with a dead person. Yeah. That was quick.
For real.
Yeah, it went by fast. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.